government, for a start, play a big role in the way the country's run, and it's not run very well at the moment. Transport is diabolical, road systems are terrible, just everything about it at the moment. If I could get on a plane and jet off to another country, I'd be gone tomorrow.